Good morning, everybody. So today and tomorrow, depending on the class period, you'll be turning in your computers. So as we're working on getting all the computers collected, we'll have a paper assignment here on campus that you can do in Kami as you're at home. Pretty simple assignment, just kind of meant more for fun as you complete it. But I did want to kind of show you how that works. Get rid of that. The questions are fairly straightforward from what we've done this year. And the way you will answer is going to be on this page where you have this face template. So for example, the first question says, what season is it in the northern hemisphere is if the North Pole is tilted towards the sun? So remember, if you have the North Pole tilted towards the sun, then that would be summer. So a little gimme there. And so if it's summer, then you draw these ears on that face template. So you would come back over to this face template. You're going to draw these little square ears. And so you can get your little drawing tool. You can choose your color. There are more colors just so you can choose from more as you get to that point on the back side. For right now, you're just choosing the black because you want to do all of these initial drawings in, it says pencil, so you would do the black for pencil. So you're drawing these little square ears, and they don't have to be perfect. I'm not judging you on your artsmanship, just if you got the correct answer and follow the directions with these little curved up inside. So like that. And so that's how you show that you got the right answer for that first question. And then you would go to the next one. And so you're just kind of going through each question, figuring out what's the right answer. So what do you draw for that answer? And so just going through each one, as you get the right answer, you draw those things. The first page here is all of what you're drawing. And I did not open, oops, wrong page. The second page is the 17-2. When you open that one, that will be where you start doing more of the colors. So you'll color the snorkel gray, you'll color or outline the eyes in green, outline the eyebrows in brown. So that's where you're going to want to use more of your other colors, which are down here. And you can choose some more of those different colors. And so that's kind of how you'll do this. So the first page is all about what you're drawing, where you're drawing it, how you're drawing it. The second page is all about the colors, how you're coloring it. So it's fairly straightforward. When you finish, the only thing you actually turn in is this one. And I'll see what your drawings look like. Should be fun. So that's what we're doing with this one. And so have fun with it. And I'll see you in class. Have a great day.